Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Harold, HB274 TV. It is Saturday morning. I am about to paint. It is paint day. There's Elijah right there in the background. Hey, it's time, baby. It's time. Got my duper color. Got it warming up over there by the heater. And I got my Spray Max 2K sitting right here in the sun. So, 2K clear. Man, it's about to be on. I'm gonna start with the front side first, cause some of this side parts are gonna get painted, and that way I don't have to use too much for the back. Okay, so shucking up real good. These tips is a little weird, cause I don't know if it's gonna work good with my gun, well, with my handle. Well, let me try it real quick. Do a test. Oh, that's not bad. All right, so you guys seen me paint before. I need to get a mask. I need to be more professional and get a, you know what I'm talking about, cover up, you know, so I can breathe, basically. But I'm gonna get a mask real quick and we're gonna get started. All right, let's get the painting. Alright guys, that's the first little quick coat. It's not even a coat, you just want to barely spray some on so the paint can stick. This spider webs just keep coming in here, man.
I missed the part where that's my problem.
It made no sense. But anyway, spider webs like crazy. Anyway, you want the first coat to stick. You know, it's just for prepping the rest of the paint. You want it to stick real good, so we're gonna keep going. Gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes, put another coat on, and I'm probably gonna do 3 coats. I'm gonna do two to three quick coats, and then I'm gonna do maybe 2 to 3 wet coats. Depends on how much I have left. All right, so once you start spraying and you take a little break, shake it up some more, turn it upside down and sit it down. I'm gonna sit it back in front of the heater so it'll stay nice. All right, and then when it's time to go back again, we're gonna go ahead and finish this wheel. And when it's time to clear coat, we'll do that as well. But I'm just gonna finish this wheel for y'all, and I'll finish the rest of the wheels. And then when I'm done painting the rest of the wheels and it's time for clear coat, I'll cut you back on. So stick with me. All right, that's the second little quick coat. So the third one is coming up, and then I'll do some heavy coats. Seems like I got enough, but we'll see. All right guys, last coat. It don't look black to you guys maybe, but it's black to me. And it's not all the way black, of course, because I still got to do the interior. And I probably have to buy some more paint to do that, because I'm gonna really make this sucker black on the front. Told you this is gonna be a process, because I'm not putting these on till January anyway. So let's get finished. Alright, so first rim is done. I'm gonna get started on the others. Well, this is just a face. I still gotta do the barrels, which will come in another video. And I'm not gonna even yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna do the clear coat. Nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do the clear coat when I'm done with the entire rim. So the next video is gonna have all the wheels done and all black, and then I'll do the clear coat. All right, so I'll holler at y'all on the next video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, what could have done better, all that good stuff. All right, peace.
I'm above the rim, ain't worried about them. My shorty exotic, and plus she all in. She told me I got it, so I double the profit. Go call me a Mozzie, then I squat off the lot. And it ain't gon' stop, still rolling at 5. Spent plenty of nights with tears in my eyes, don't kill my vibe, yeah.